by Nevs.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, let's have a look at the Huawei Nova Y91, a mid-range phone from Huawei that boasts 7000 mAh battery, a 6.95-inch massive display, and a 256GB large storage. Let's see if this phone is worth your money. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. So guys, let's start with the design. The Huawei Nova Y91 is a sleek and stylish design. The frame and the back panels are made of plastic with a matte finish that looks premium and sturdy. And it has an iconic steady circle design which is similar to the Huawei Mate 50 Pro camera design. The Huawei Nova Y91 has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that is integrated with the power button and the volume control on the right side of the phone. The bottom of the phone has the USB Type-C port, the stereo speaker grill, and the microphone. The top of the phone has another microphone for noise cancelling, but unfortunately guys, the phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. The phone comes in two different colors, which is the studded black and moonlight silver. For me, I like the silver that looks classy and premium. Moving on to the display, the Huawei Nova Y91 has a 6.95-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of Full HD Plus 1080 by 2376 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate and 270Hz touch sampling rate, which means it has a better response, especially if you are playing games. The screen is bright and crisp, and the high refresh rate makes everything look smooth and fluid. The phone has notch at the top, housing the camera and the stereo speaker, which same design of their flagship phone, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, but unfortunately there is no 3D Face ID here. Now if we talk about the performance, under the hood, the phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 4G chipset, which is an octa-core processor with 4 Cortex-A73 cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 4 Cortex-A53 cores clocked at 1.9 GHz. The phone also has an Adreno GPU, which is 610 for graphics, which can handle casual gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. The phone has 8GB built-in plus 5GB of RAM expansion and 256GB of internal storage, and no memory card expansion, but for me, 256GB is more than enough. The phone runs on EMUI 13, which is Huawei's custom skin based on Android 13 with lots of customization, and with own app store, which is the app gallery, and most apps you needed can be downloaded, even the Google applications. Moreover, the Huawei Nova Y91 has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and face detection autofocus, and a 2MP depth camera with f2.4 aperture along with the flash. The rear camera can capture high-resolution photos and videos with features like LED flash, dual view, HDR, panorama, slow-mo, and high-res mode. The front camera is an 8MP selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture, which can also record a 1080p videos and perfect for selfies. The most impressive feature of the Huawei Nova Y91 is its massive battery capacity. The phone has a 7000 mAh battery, which is one of the largest batteries in any smartphone, which is you can use this phone up to 71 hours of phone calls or 29 hours local video playback in a single fully charged. The phone also supports 22.5 watts wired fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes and can easily last for more than 2 days on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Alright, without further ado, the final verdict guys, Overall, the Huawei Nova Y91 is a great smartphone for anyone who wants a powerful performance, a large display, and a huge battery life. The phone has some drawbacks such as no NFC, no wireless charging, and no headphone jack and memory card slot. But these are minor issues compared to the overall value of the phone. The phone is priced at 1249 dirhams here in Dubai, which is very affordable for what it offers. So guys, what do you think of the Huawei Nova Y91? Is it worth to buy? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.